Uh, Hi to all. In this video, we are going to see about universal motors. What is universal motor? Okay, it's a special type of motors. We know AC motors and DC motors. AC motors will work with AC voltage, and DC motors will work with DC voltage. But in the case of universal motor, it works with both AC as well as DC. The same motor will be operated in both the voltages. That's why this type of motors are called universal motors. Okay, it is also commutator type motor. A universal motor is one which operates both on AC and DC supplies. It develops more horsepower per kg weight than any other AC motors, mainly due to its high speed. Okay, normally the speed of the universal motor is very high, like 1500 rpm, more than that. Okay, and the size of the machine will be less. It's a single phase motors. Okay, but the speed will be very high. The principle of operation is the same as the DC motor. Okay, so just like a DC series motor, it works just like a DC series motor, but it's a universal motor. Through a universal motor resembles a DC series motor, it requires suitable modification in the construction, winding, and brush grade to achieve the sparkless communication and reduced heating when operated on AC, because it produces very high speed. No, because of that, heat also will be generated in the motor. To overcome that, we should provide some modifications in the uh, motor uh, constructions. Okay, due to increased inductance and armature reactance. When we increase the inductance and armature reactance, that will reduce the heating. Okay, the universal motor therefore is defined as a series or a compensator series motor. Okay, the motor name, another name of universal motor is series or compensator series motor. Okay, figure 4.24 and 4.25 designed to operate approximately the same speed and output at either direct DC or single phase alternating current of a frequency not greater than 50 Hz. Frequency should not exceed the 50 Hz and approximately the same as the RMS voltage. Universal motor is also named as a single phase series motor. See here armature coil is there, and here the series field. The series coil field coil will be seriously connected to the armature coil. Then normally we call series motor. Okay, the same thing is applicable for universal motor also. Okay, so is a diagram of a universal motor. When it is positive off cycle, this part, see here, this will be north pole and this will be the south pole. When it is negative off cycle, this will be the south pole and this will be the north pole. Okay, the main parts of the universal motors are armature, field winding, stator samplings, frame and plates, and brushed. Okay, the increased sparking brush position in AC operation is reduced by the means of providing commutating interpoles. When we providing commutating interpoles, the sparking will be reduced. Okay, and the winding in series, the winding in series with the armature winding, providing high contact resistance brushed to reduce sparking at brush positions. Because of high speed, the spark will be generated. To reduce that high contact resistance, carbon, normally carbon we are using for reducing the spark which will be generated in the universal motors. Okay, universal motor works at the same principle as a DC motor. I already told, no, just like a DC series motor. Okay, force is created on the armature conductors due to the interaction between the main field flux and the flux created by the current carrying armature conductors. The universal motor develops unidirectional torque. Okay, in the case of AC motors, it produces torque in both directions. But in the case of universal motors develops unidirectional torque regardless of whether it's operated on AC or DC supply. From the below diagram, this diagram, okay, here the torque will be like this. Here also the torque will be like this. So even positive off cycle like this, and negative off cycle also same. So that's why it's called um, unidirectional. Okay, figure A, B, and C shows the operation of a universal motor on AC supply. In AC operation, both field and armature currents change. Okay, armature current changes, but the torque which will be generated, it will be the same direction. Okay, characteristics. So when we apply the voltage, AC voltage means this will be the characteristics of AC alternating operations, and this will be the DC operation. Okay, the speed reaches a dangerously high value due to low field flux at no loads. So these motors we should not start with no loads, just like a series DC series motor. In the case of DC series motor also, because of high speed, we are not going to start the motor without any load. The same thing here also, we should not start the motor without any load. Okay, the speed reaches a dangerously high value due to field flux at no loads. In fact, the no load speed is limited only by its own friction and windage losses. Okay, as such that motors are connected with permanent loads or greater gear trains. Okay, some of the cases it will be driven by the gears. In the case of mixer grinders, it will not be um, what we call gear train will not be present. When the case of wet grinders, the pulley will be connected through the gears. Okay, figure 4.27 shows the typical torque speed relations of universal motors for both AC as well as DC operation. This motor develops about 40% of the full load torque at starting, as such higher than that other type of single phase motors. It is also a single phase motor, but its torque is 450% greater than other types of motors. Applications, I told no, normally mixie grinders, there we are using the universal motors. Okay, some of there are numerous applications where universal motors are used, such as hand drills, hair dryers, grinders, blowers, polishers, and kitchen appliances, etc. This also used for many other purposes where the speed control and high value of speed are necessary, like vacuum cleaners, food mixers, portable drillers, and domestic sewage machines. Universal motors of a given horsepower rating are significantly smaller than other kinds of AC operating motors. Thank you.